I am Aizali and you are watching Sayeban News HD. Now we will add sports news from Sialkot. Very well-known personality and businessman Mr. Nakasjat organized a visit of international delegation for promotion deck hockey at the city school Iqbal campus Sialkot. The principal of the city school, Mrs. Fatima Umar, and his staff warmly welcomes international delegation. The city school proudly hosted the esteemed President Jaroslav Malsek and Technical Director Coach of the World Ball and Deck Hockey Federation for their inaugural visit to the region. The visit marks a significant milestone in the promotion and development of ball and deck hockey within Pakistan and beyond. As an integral part of the school's ongoing commitment to sports and international collaboration, the visit served as a platform for fostering partnerships, sharing expertise, and igniting passion for the sport among students, the local community with its rich history and tradition of excellence in sports. Sialkot stands poised to embrace ball and deck hockey as a vibrant addition to its sporting landscape. The city school looks forward to further collaboration with the World Ball and Deck Hockey Federation in realizing the shared vision of promoting inclusivity, athleticism, and camaraderie through the universal language of sport. At the last organization present showed to Chief Guest Abid Bird Principal Madam Fatima Umar, organization also present application certificates to media and trainee students.
Just I want to ask, just we see this duck hockey. What is the difference between other hockey and this?
Duck hockey is played with the shoes. Okay? It's not like ice hockey. Ice hockey is played with skates, but duck hockey is played with the shoes, and it's a 3-on-3, so it's a lot smaller, a lot faster. There's less rules, so it's easier to play, especially for young athletes, and it's more fun because there are a lot of balls, a lot of action, lots of passing, lots of running. It's also good for health because of the lots of running, and it's lots of fun.
How many players playing? Like two teams participate. One team has how many players?
Yeah, on the field, there are 3 players and 1 goalie. Okay, so on one team there are 3 players, 1 goalie. They are playing. But the whole team can have 15 players altogether, so when you are traveling, you should have